In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Grammarly on your laptop. Whether you're a student, writer, or professional, Grammarly is a great tool to help enhance your writing by catching spelling errors, offering style suggestions, and much more. Let's dive right into the process so you can start benefiting from Grammarly's powerful features right away. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to the official Grammarly website at grammarly.com on a desktop. This site is the dedicated page where you can download the desktop version of Grammarly, which ensures you have the most recent updates and features. Once you arrive on the web page, your next step is to look for and click on the download option. Typically, this button is prominently displayed on the page to make it easy to find. Clicking this will initiate the download process, which shouldn't take too long depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, you need to locate the downloaded file, which is usually found in your Downloads folder unless you've set a different destination. Double-click the file to open it. This will kick off the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions, which will guide you through the steps necessary to complete the installation. This process is generally straightforward, but be sure to read any prompts carefully to avoid missing any important options that might be relevant to your laptop setup. Once the installation is complete, it's time to launch Grammarly. You can find it by going to your Start menu, where the freshly installed application should be listed. Open it up, and you'll be prompted to sign in with your Grammarly account credentials. If you don't have an account, there should be an option to create one directly from this screen. Just follow the prompts to set up your account, which is necessary to access Grammarly's full suite of features. With your account set up and logged in, Grammarly will appear as a handy floating widget on your screen. This little widget is your new best friend for writing. It's there to assist you, providing real-time feedback on your documents as you type, helping you to polish your writing to perfection. And there you have it. You're now all set up with Grammarly on your laptop. Whether you're drafting an email, writing an essay, or crafting a creative piece, Grammarly is ready to help ensure your writing is as clear and effective as it can be. Enjoy the enhanced writing experience and the confidence that comes with knowing your grammar is impeccable. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.